In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase bill in Zoho Books. Managing your finances efficiently is crucial, and understanding this process can streamline your operations significantly. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section labeled Purchases. Click on that and then select Bills from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to the area where you can manage all your bills. To create a new bill, simply click on the Plus New button in the top right corner. Alternatively, there's a quick Create icon, represented by a plus sign, right next to the Bills menu item for your convenience. Now that you're set with creating a new bill, it's time to enter the bill details. Start with the vendor information. You can either select an existing vendor from your list or add a new one if it's not already in your system. Be sure to enter the unique bill number that you received from your vendor. This step is essential for tracking and referencing the bill later on. Next, let's talk about dates. Enter the bill date, which is when the bill was issued, and the due date, which is when payment is expected. If you have predefined payment terms, these can automatically set the due date for you. Don't forget to enter any corresponding purchase order numbers as well, if applicable. With those basics out of the way, we move on to adding line items. This is where you'll input details for each product or service on the bill. Provide a clear description, the quantity, and the rate for every line item. As you add these details, Zoho Books will automatically calculate the total for you. It's important to make sure each line item is assigned to the correct account, which helps in maintaining accurate financial records. If your bill includes any taxes, discounts, or notes, this is the section to add them. You're not limited to a single line. You can easily add more items by clicking on plus, add another line, or opt for the Add Items in Bulk feature if you're dealing with numerous entries. Once you've double-checked all the information entered, it's time to save the bill. You have two options here. Click Save as Draft if you're still reviewing the bill and don't want it finalized just yet. However, if everything looks good and you're ready to proceed, select Save as Open. This option will not only create the bill, but also make it visible in your reports, helping you maintain a current view of your finances. And that's it. You've successfully created a purchase bill in Zoho Books. With practice, this process will become second nature, allowing you to keep a clean and organized financial system. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.